We are standing here outside the residence of Mudawat Kishan, who worked as Mehboob Nagar Deputy Transport Commissioner, and after raids on about 12 locations, including this home in Old Boyanpally area of Sikandrabad, what the ACB has said is that his assets were worth 12 crore, 0.72 crores. Even though the document value has been put at less than 13 crores, estimates suggest that the value of his assets is more than 100 crore because he holds agricultural land of more than 31 acres in Sangareddy, for instance. He has also commercial land in Nizamapet municipality area. There is also the ownership, 50% ownership of a luxury hotel. There is also furniture space of about 4,000 square feet, Royal Oak furniture, and also many township houses that he has, all of which has been found as documents in his house. Three things that I must point out. When the ACB raids happened, they happened here and at 11 other places. That includes in Nizampet, Mehboob Nagar, as well as in Sangareddy as well. And what they found was that he was in fact, we are told, hiding inside the bathroom and did not come out for a long time. And subsequently, they also did not find the gold or the documents. He had given the gold to a gold shop, and that is where after finding out, they realized that all the gold had been handed over to someone else. Even the documents had been handed over to those of his associates, and subsequently the ACB recovered it. Interestingly, Mudawat Kishan joined the service as an assistant motor vehicle inspector in 1994 and subsequently became a motor vehicles inspector. Then he was promoted to become RTO at both Medchal as well as in Mehdipatnam as well. And then only last year, December of 2024, he was made as the Transport Commissioner in charge for Mehboob Nagar, and his assets are believed to have been gathered over these 30 years, illicit assets, and that's the reason why under the Prevention of Corruption Act, he has been now booked by the ACB under sections suitable, saying that he illicitly gathered the wealth, and now punitive punishment under those sections, cases have been booked against this man called Mod Kishan. It has been quite shocking. I spoke to the Transport Minister of Telangana, Mr. Ponnam Prabhakar, and he mentioned that they do believe that huge amounts of wealth were amassed, and that's the reason why they brought in very important transparency measures, and that included closing of all what are called check posts and all that, and also installation of cameras in such a manner that people who are indulging in illegal activity can be caught. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.